So our mission is to speed up the adoption of today's technology. We know that there's amazing technologies that are going to come, in the coming years, but it's really the power of what's available now. And the sooner that individuals and organizations can adopt these technologies, then the sooner we to start transform, the quality of our lives, the quality of the products we produce, the innovation that, is going to drive the next level of opportunities for us all. But if you've got great technology, it's just getting it in front of the right audience. And as we talked about in the last video, it gets complicated, the number of channels to that audience, number of ways that audience can digest the content, and the number of audiences you're going after. But what's super powerful about video is that we can leverage that content. We can take our 30-minute interview that we do with you and we can turn it to all those formats and we can put it through all those channels and we can guarantee that you get results from the back of that. But all along, really what we're doing is we're just building on the law of nine. And I've heard it called the law of six, the law of seven, the law of eight. But if you look at neilpatel.com, he's got a great video on the law of nine. And really all it says is that no one's going to actually buy your products or your services until they've seen your name or seen your brand or seen your product 9 times. And it could be 8 times, it could be 7 times, but no one just sees your product online and says, I must have 10 of those today. It's a very gradual process where they get to know your brand, get to know what you're talking about. And by the time you get to 8, 9 times of them seeing your brand, then that's when they're in a kind of an action mode. They're going to start picking up the phone, responding to your messages or whatever. And in parallel, what you're doing, especially with video, is they're getting to sort of know, like, and trust you. And if I'm an accountant by background, not a salesperson, but the more you understand about the psychology of sales, this business of getting to know you, getting to like you, getting to trust you, and that's combined with the law of nine, is where kind of you get to this magic sauce of people being interested and open to engaging with you about your product. So if you're taking months and months and months to get to the ninth level, or if you're taking months and months and months to get through the know, like, and trust steps, then that's lost opportunity. The faster you can be doing that with your products, with your services, with your offering, the faster you're actually going to get to real clients sooner. And this is what we do at Scale, is we help you get through the content, get it digested, get it out there to the audience, and we do it in a way that speeds up this kind of know, like, and trust, so that people have seen your content 9 times and they're in the mood to buy. Simple.